If you want to delete your Nintendo user account, then we have you covered. Here is how you can do it. Before we move forward, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research trying to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. Now, let's get started. Method 1. First, we will show you the steps on how to deactivate your Nintendo account. Navigate to the system settings on the Nintendo Switch home screen. Select Users and click on the user icon that you want to delete. From the User Settings window, select Delete User, check the box next to Delete and select Next. Next, select Delete this user. Wait till the process is complete and then select OK. This will delete your Nintendo Switch user account. Now, if you want to delete your Nintendo account permanently, then visit Nintendo.com and log into the Nintendo account you want to delete. Click on the profile icon and then navigate to Account Settings. Next, click on Privacy and Other Settings. Select Delete Account. Click on Confirm. This will delete your account after 30 days of the deactivation period. So abstain from logging into your account for 30 days if you want to permanently delete it. To recover it, simply log in within these 30 days. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel and get quick solutions to all your tech issues. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and always remember that we are here to help you out.